Greetings. Today we'll be talking about that famous concept we hear about everywhere, machine learning, but not with complicated terminology. We'll discuss it in its simplest form, with real-life examples. In the past, when we wanted a computer to do something, we would tell it step by step what to do, like giving it a recipe. If this key is pressed, do this. If this data comes in, show this. We call this traditional programming, but the world has become much more complex. You can't describe millions of different cat photos to a computer one by one using code. You can't say if its ears are like this, if its whiskers are like that. That's where machine learning comes in. We stop giving instructions to the computer. We give it examples and say, you create your own instructions. We divide machine learning into three main groups. The first and most common is supervised learning. Think of it like a student with a teacher. You have a question book and an answer key. We show the computer thousands of photos of cats and dogs. Under each photo, we add a label. This is a cat, this is a dog. The computer looks at these thousands of examples and finds the hidden mathematical difference that distinguishes a cat from a dog. Then we show it a photo it has never seen before and ask, what is this? The computer looks at its past examples and says, there's a 98% chance this is a dog. This is exactly how spam filters in your emails or systems that predict house prices work. They learn from past answered examples. So, what happens if we don't have an answer key? That's when unsupervised learning comes into play. Think of it this way. You leave a child in a room full of thousands of mixed toys. You don't tell them which toy is which. After a while, the child starts to form their own logic. The ones with wheels go this way. The soft plush ones go this way. The shiny ones go that way. There's no right or wrong here, just similarities. Banks use this method to catch fraud. They identify your normal spending habits as a group. Suddenly, when an irrelevant purchase is made that is completely outside this group, the system triggers an alarm. This purchase doesn't fit your general pattern. Finally, and perhaps the coolest one, reinforcement learning. This is like a computer learning a game on its own. There's no labeled data or grouping here, just a trial and error and reward punishment mechanism. Just like training a dog. When the dog makes the right move, you reward it. When it makes a wrong move, it doesn't get a reward. Similarly, the computer makes thousands of mistakes, chasing the question, which move will give me the highest score? Artificial intelligence that beats chess champions or self-driving cars use this method of learning through experience. In short, machine learning is the art of computers extracting meaning from data without being explicitly programmed. Today, this technology is used in Netflix recommending movies, your phone recognizing your face, or in the medical world diagnosing diseases. Remember, data is like a library, and machine learning is that brilliant friend that reads all the books in that library and summarizes them for us. Today, we've covered a basic introduction. In the next video, we'll discuss the error margins of these systems, that critical mathematical balance we call the loss function. Stay tuned and keep learning.